Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming account eligibility and why it matters. Roblox restricts voice for safety, so verify age 13 or older and enable voice chat in settings. Next, plug in a tested microphone or headset and update the Roblox app or browser to the latest version. Once done, follow the in-game prompt to grant microphone permissions to Roblox. This permits audio capture. Make sure you complete any identity verification steps. They unlock full voice features and reduce the chance of automatic blocking. Now you configure permissions and audio settings so voice actually works. First, open your device privacy settings and grant microphone access to Roblox. Without it, the app cannot send audio. Then choose voice mode. Spatial voice gives positional audio for immersion, while standard is simpler. After that, set the input device and adjust volume and noise suppression in Roblox's audio panel. Finally, run the built-in mic test or join a friends-only game to validate levels and confirm you're heard clearly before Finish by joining a game that supports voice and toggling voice chat in the player menu. This activates in-session audio. If you encounter problems, restart the Roblox app and your device, then re-grant mic permissions and test an alternate headset to isolate hardware issues. Once done, make sure your parental controls or group settings aren't blocking voice features. A quick troubleshooting step. Check Roblox service status and your account privacy settings. If everything looks normal but voice still fails, repeat verification or contact Roblox support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.